Do you want to add an image to your Wikipedia article without any copyright headaches? Learn how to upload and insert one in under 3 minutes. First, we'll access your personal Sandbox, then insert a paragraph. I'll show you exactly how to upload an image and add the final details. In the top right corner, click the Personal Settings drop-down menu. Then, go ahead and click on Sandbox to open your personal test area. Now, click on Start a New Edit. This option lets you begin a fresh editing session, especially useful if you're not continuing from previous work.
Click Insert Paragraph.
Then, type your sentence or paragraph into the editor. Click the Insert button at the top of the editor toolbar. It looks like a plus sign. From the menu, choose Images and Media. In the Media dialog, click on Upload to switch to the Upload tab. Click Select a File and find an image related to your topic on your computer. Check the This is my own work option. Then, click Upload to start the upload. Once uploaded, type the image name as it should appear in the article. Now, add a brief description of the image. Finally, click Save, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.